Today we want to learn how to insert bar or column chart in Excel. We can just select one cell in our dataset or select all cells. Then go to Insert tab and choose proper chart, 2D columns or 2D bars. I don't like 3D charts, so I'm going with 2D columns. And just like that, we have our simple chart, and we can change size of the chart dragging by the borders. And when you are holding Alt key and dragging your borders, chart borders, Excel will match borders of the cell. The size of the chart will be matched with the borders of the cell. And it's nice trick. But I have my chart and I want to change some visualization of it. So I can go to Chart Design tab, and here I have chart styles. Just drag. We can choose one of it, or we can decide by ourselves what we want to change. So what I want to delete horizontal lines, just one click them and press delete to remove them. I want my columns to be wider, so select them, Ctrl 1, and I want to change gap width 55%. It's good for me here, so I have just like that. And I want to add data labels, so plus data labels, and I want my data labels inside end, and I should turn off plus sign, and I should change the font color. It should be white. It's good for the dark background. And just like that, I create my column chart. And of course, like charts in Excel, when we change some values in our dataset, our chart will also change.